How to back up your website in cPanel. This demo assumes you've already logged into cPanel and are starting on the home screen. Now let's learn how to back up our website. Click the Backup Wizard icon. This is the main backup screen where you can back up or restore the files in your hosting account. To back up your website, click the Backup button. You have the option of only backing up part of your account or generating a full backup, which we'll do now. Click the Full Backup button. Select the destination, then click Generate Backup. That's it! We've just created a full backup to the home directory. To download a copy of the backup to your computer, simply click its link. That's all there is to it. Restoring files is just as easy. Click the Backup Wizard icon again. Then click the Restore button. Choose what type of restore you want to do. In this case, let's restore the home directory. Locate the home directory backup, then click Upload. The files have been restored. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to create a backup in cPanel and restore files from a backup.
Thank you for watching. If you need more help, please contact Flaminqo Help Center. Our agents will be more than happy to help. Flaminqo Hosting.